Yeah, if you have any plans or just plans to go to Canada to work, and if you need someone to process or arrange all the documents that you needed, so there will be no any hassle for you guys, since during this time, processing your own application is really a hard thing to do. And if you need someone to trust, you can contact no problem, especially Miss Lisa, since she is an approved IRCC lawyer, immigration lawyer, and you can review their background, their social media, the results that they've got from Google to Instagram to Facebook, everything. And and one more good thing, they upload some videos on YouTube that helps you understand the situation here in Canada, especially right now. It's really hard, a hard time to process everything. So if you need to trust someone, and the fees are very low compared to other consultation firm, so you get what you pay for, and the results are really awesome.